Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube name on your mobile phone. So this is going to work on Android, iPhone, whatever device you have. It's the same process throughout. So what you're going to want to do is first off click on your YouTube app. Once you're on there, you want to click on the top right hand corner where your profile picture is. Then you want to click on your channel. And once you click on your channel, you're going to see a little cog next to your name. Whatever your name is, click on that cog right there, and then it's going to come up with this menu here. You're going to see name, and you're going to see a little pencil. You're going to want to click on that pencil there, and it's going to bring up this here. You've got first name and last name. So if I'm going to change the channel name here, you just click back on that. It says the example, and then I'll click. I'll probably keep the cow there. So you can do that, and then once that's done, you can click the little tick button at the top. And do remember, the 3 name changes are allowed in 90-day periods. You can't do any more than 3 name changes, otherwise it won't work, and it just won't let you do any more name changes. So click the little tick button there, and once you've done that, you can see it's changed. You've got the example cow instead of example cow, so you can see it's changed there. But the thing is, if you want to have a singular name, let's say you want to do all together for whatever reason, if you want to do like the example cow like this as all one word, let's say for instance, or whatever it is to be all one word, you can't actually do it without a brand account. So you're going to need to create a brand account to be able to have all one word name. Let's just say for instance, if you wanted to just do call yourself just BlackBerry for whatever reason, like a singular word, you have to have a brand account to do that. So you got to go ahead and get that, and then come back to this menu here and do the exact same thing, and it will just come up with one name, and then you can change it like that. But if you don't have a brand account, you can only do like 2 names like this. You have to do, for instance, Blackberry for whatever reason. It's a bit annoying, I know, but you have to have a brand account to get all one name. But if not, you want to do 2 names like your real life name, etc., then this is the way to do it. But leave a like on the video if it did help. Subscribe for more videos like this, and click one of the links on screen to one of the videos or playlist. Click on them. But that's it for now. See you in the next video.